3D carving is one of the features that draws woodworkers to CNCs. It's something that's nearly impossible to do without a CNC, unless you have an enormous amount of talent and an equally enormous amount of time. Start out with the 3-flute Stubby 1/4-inch ball nose bit in a roughing pass. This removes the bulk of the extra material from the carving. A conical ball nose bit takes over to refine the roughed-in shape into the final carving. The finer the point on the conical ball nose, the more detail you can create in your carving. Ultra-Shear's new 10 thousandths radius conical ball nose delivers extremely fine detail. The tool works with any 1/4-inch collet, but has been optimized for ER11 collets with just a 1-inch long collet zone. Knock out your 3-dimensional carving projects with the tag team from Ultra-Shear, the Stubby 1/4-inch spiral ball nose and the Stubby 10 thousandths radius conical ball nose. Like everything from Ultra-Shear, these bits combine solid engineering, the best materials, and state-of-the-art manufacturing. With hundreds of profiles to choose from, you can always find the right bit. And we continue pushing router bit design forward. Ultra-Shear router bits, always American-made quality at factory direct pricing.